Yala.
Parang baliw na.
Ano yung sinabi mo?
Wala. Sabi ko, tingnan mo ako kasi ang payat ko dito.
Saan yan? Oo.
Huh? Parang may sakit.
Gusto mo yang may sakit ka?
Gusto ko ganito ako kapayat. Sexy.
Huwag ka na kumain.
Baliw.
Moni balay sa 85 degrees Celsius. Panda na may electric fan. Ceiling fan kaya stay init. Akala mo Mars, perfect na yun Mars. Ayun, yun na yun.
Oo naman.
Yung 5 years. Grabe no?
Oh, parang baliw. Naka-video ka, no?
Podcast man ito. So ano yung mga realizations mo Mars after 5 years?
Hindi pala lahat ng nagtatagal ay tumatagal.
So hindi pala yun sa haba ng panahon?
Yeah.
Like?
Like what?
Say your word na for your ex.
Kung nakikinig ka man, salamat.
Okay, just today, Mariela is, I don't know.
Thank you kasi.
What is she thinking right now? Because she's been like reminiscing all their photos, their videos together.
Ewan ko kasi, tingnan mo.
Yeah.
Ang dami ko palang video.
You haven't deleted that in your album? Oh. Why is that so?
Okay
I thought
lang
you're trying to move on now.
It doesn't mean na pag mag-move on ka, you have to
delete everything.
Yeah.
But
I just wanna keep the memories
but if he will
had.
going to contact you and like talk to you as friends, do you like talk right now?
What? Do we talk?
Yeah.
Oh no, I blocked him.
Oh.
Yes, because my podcast
but there were times that you really wanted to probably have like did you like have a closure?
What?
Closure?
We don't know. We didn't have.
Why?
Because I don't want to.
Oh, you don't.
He asked for closure.
Yeah, there should be a closure, right, ma'am?
No, I don't believe in that.
No, because
well, it depends. It depends.
Yeah, you need to have closure because
No shirt does not shave.
Wow.
Nothing closure yan
Oh, what else?
Yeah, because sometimes we really need some closure. Because if you don't have, it leaves you hanging. You know that. And on his part, is he currently having like a relationship you heard about? Any news about him? No. Oh.
Look.
Yeah, it's all about him. It's him. I know you missed him a lot.
I just miss the memories, but not the person.
I say, you were going to sing the song, I remember the boy.
Ano yun?
But I don't remember the feelings anymore. Like, Mars, one question, okay, and be honest. Like, if makita mo siya ngayon, hypothetically, wala na talaga. Wala na talaga.
Wala na. I saw him before. And
like, wala na yung yearning na hawakan siya or i-hug siya?
Wala. Kasi, oo nga, I despised him. Oo nga, kasi nga sinabihan niya ako ng masasakit na salita. So, willing naman kasi ako I mean, willing ako makipag-usap ng maayos. Willing akong maging friends na lang kami, like that. Pero pinili niyang sirain yun.
Ganon.
Pinili niyang sirain yun. Yun na lang sana yung pwede naming ma-save friendship. But he chose to break it. Oh! Oh my goodness.
Break it down, yo.
Yun. Kaya, yun. Ano pa?
Moments na lang.
Tingnan mo to. Wait lang. Oh. Eh.
So, it's on your page, on your TikTok account? So like, the current guy you're involved with, like...
Oh! Nakikita niya.
You see that?
Yeah.
He sees that? Pwede mag-English.
Oo, bakit? Ano naman?
So like, what was his reaction? Like seeing all those photos and
wala, kasi
you didn't hide it, you didn't delete it.
Why would I?
Oh my God, Mariela.
Hindi kasi hindi naman yung big deal. Parang dumating naman.
Yeah, because you know when you're like, I know a couple of people like after their ex, after they like have to delete everything.
No.
You know, discard everything.
I don't believe in that.
In relation to that person or whatever. Okay. But you're like open. So what if in the future somebody were going to propose to you for a marriage or something like that? You still have that account?
No.
I mean, oh my God. Pagsisilusan yun ng asawa mo.
Bakit?
Ng boyfriend
Hindi
mo. Dapat
kapag binigyan mo siya ng dahilan para magselos.
I-hide mo yan.
No. Bakit? Dami-daming views nun.
I-hide mo yan.
Hindi. Bakit? Ba't kailangan i-hide?
I-hide mo yan. Pag ako yung ano mo, nako. Litikan ka
Ang
sa akin.
tagal-tagal na nito eh.
Kahit na.
2019 pa to. Okay lang yun.
Dapat i-hide mo yan kay makalkal yan ng ano mo. Nako.
Tingnan mo.
Iran at Iraq. Oh, tingnan mo yung sweetness nyo. Oh, pag makita yan ng ka-relationship mo.
Oh, tingnan mo. Eh. Dapat panoorin mo ulit yun Oh.